Guys, in this video I will teach you how to retrieve 10 hole that has worn out back to 10. As you can see, it's supposed to be 10 holes touching here, but it is no more touching because it has worn out. So in this video I will tell you how to close it back to 10 so that 10 bolts can still touch here again even though the thread has been worn out. So if you want to achieve this, maybe you have been wondering how to close it, watch this video carefully and you will get it. So the first thing you needed to do is to put 6.5 drilling bit in your drilling machine. Then drill the hole that has worn out from 10 to 6.5 hole using your drilling machine as you are seeing it. Now we are done with the drilling. The next thing we are going to do is to pick up our tab. The tab we are going to pick is 13 tab. As we have drilled it with 6.5 drilling bit, what we match it is 13 tab, as we are seeing it from the banner below. Then use the 13 tab, run it. Don't drill it till it pass the other side in case if the hole will pass to the other side. Thread it to almost 3/4 of the hole as we are doing it. Then, as when you are done, put 13 bolts. I usually prefer 13 bolts that has holes in their center so that it will not be difficult to drill. So now I put 13 bolts that has hole at the center. Then I will tight it to the 13 thread that I just fixed. Then after fixing it, then you cut the bolt inside it. Make sure you tight it very well, and after tightening it, then you cut it. Then we are done with the cutting of the 13 bolts. So the next thing is to drill it with 5 drilling bits. The 5 drilling bits now will match the 10 bolts that we want to tight. Okay, wait, now we are done with drilling it with 5 drilling bits. Now bring red oil, then bring 10 tab. Mix your 10 tab with the oil to function as a lubricant. Red oil, yes, palm oil. Mix it with your tab so that it will not pull out the bolt you already fixed, because if you notice the bolt is an iron and what you are trading is an aluminum, so two of them are incompatible in terms of welding. So the palm oil now will help you so that it will not pull out the bolt you fixed on top of the top cylinder, because top cylinder is an aluminum. It will make it soft. It will help the tab to enter very soft, create a thread and come out without shaking. Those ones are fixed without welding it. Then when you are done with this last 10 tab, the thread is done. Then I'm trying to dress the mount so that it will be perfectly flat. Now as you can see, 10 bolts can now tight again, even though it was not be able to tight before, but now it can tight, meaning that we have threaded it back to 10, even though 10 has worn out before.